Hello friends, today we will learn about online examination system. Online examination is a new technique to conduct an examination through internet. Online examination system is an innovative platform extend the e-learning capabilities of any educational institution by providing them a real-time analysis on their institution. Online exam is a web-based interactive, independent and intelligent examination platform for students. This platform covers wide range of institutions and boards. For example, IBPS, CWE, RBI, SBI, NET and etc. Online examination system OES is a multiple choice question MCQ based examination system that provides an easy to use environment for both test conductors and students appearing for examination. The main objective of OES is to provide all the feature that an examination system must have with the interface that doesn't spare its user. Online exam means we candidates sit in front of a computer at the examination center and the questions are presented on the computer monitor and the candidate answer the question on the computer through the use of mouse. The traditional pen pencil based test which is generally offered on a single day to all candidates. Online exam will offered over a period of time and the candidate can choose the center, the day and time of his her convenience to take the test. Now we see the online exam pattern. All questions of the online exam are of objective type, that is multiple choice questions with only one correct choice of answer. Each correct answer fetches 3 marks, while each incorrect answer has a penalty of 1 mark, that is minus 1 marks. No marks are awarded for question not attempted. While the candidate can skip a question, the computer will not allow the candidate to answer more than one option as correct answer. There will be 100 questions in all. The questions are so designed that a good candidate will be able to answer 100 questions in 120 minutes. So this is the pattern of online exam. Next we come to the characteristics of online examination system. First, content quality. It is created and reviewed by expert and top faculty across the country. Find just the right content for any exam, vetted by educators. Next, solve video solutions. Take the best from teachers. Our solution sheet are explained in detail to understand each part of the assessment. Third, real-time feedback. Provide direct feedback and grade right after the exam. State-of-art dashboards which reflect student performance in intuitive manner. Fourth, multilingualism. Score more by giving marks for exam in your own language. Change your exam in your local language even during the exam with lightning speed. Fifth, present status of online exam. For example, various departments are conducted tests. These as SSC, RBI, SBI, Indian Railways. Powerful examination tool for e-learning and online education. Recruiters and HR manager can use it for candidate skill evaluation by conducting online test. Now see the procedure of online examination system. Candidates will get a computer instead of text booklet. The mouse will be used as a tool. One question will appear at once. Review option will be there to check the unanswered questions. Navigation key will help to mark your answer. The online examination system helped to completely automate the old manual procedure for conducting exam. Usually, it is done through a web-based online examination software or the internet variant. It is also significantly eliminates the need for monitoring while the exam is being taken. All instructions are displayed to the exam taker before the sheet begin. Last, to effectively deliver an examination, three major components have to be created. First, creation of exam, that is, an exam will have to be created. Examiner can create exam online. The content also have to be kept securely until the examination start. Second, supervision of examination. Students have to be efficiently identified and screened to ensure that they do not compromise the standard of exam. Third, marking of the exams. Marking is the ultimate stage of any examination as it determines the success or failure of the candidate. It is a stage that dictates the next level of success and achievement in life. Main benefits of online examination system. First, security and confidentiality. Security and confidentiality of an exam are critical. If the exam is to retain its value, prepared exam need to be securely kept. Any leakage will definitely compromise the standard of the exam and may result to a cancellation or a retake. All these features are well addressed using an online system because not only is the content of the exam safely logged away in a database, access to the database is only possible when an authorized personnel. A lot of possibilities are also open up on exam day as it allow you to conveniently make your own test in a secure environment. Question can easily be randomized so that no participants see the same question in the same order. Questions can easily be mixed as each new question is added to the system database. The question can then be randomly drawn from the database. This is why most examination bodies have gradually adopted the online platform. Second, accessibility and flexibility. Exam can be conducted anywhere. All a student need is a personal computer with internet connection. A student does not need a long commute to exam venue as long as these requirements are met. Also mean that thousands of students can take the same exam over a wide spread of location. Students move from one region or locality to another in the same name of sitting the examination. A lot of lives have been lot of process due to accident and other similar mishaps. Examiners also benefit from this. Examiner do not have to bother with the laborious task of making exam as this is well taken care of the system. The system actually mark each exam and present the result of the student at the end of the exam. Examiner are also afforded the opportunity to create exam online through an online examination system that can present examination in multiple languages. Multiple exam on multiple subjects for multiple courses can also be set. Exams can also be configured for 24 into 7 availability. This allows candidate to take exam at their own convenience. Next, cost saving. When an exam is placed online, it result in significant cost saving. the cost of paper, copying, and distribution expenses are all reduced or eliminated. The elimination of paper cost alone is extraordinary. The copying and distribution of assignment to a large class are often unwieldy and inefficient. Administrator anxious to reduce expenditure are likely to strong favor the transition from paper assignments examinations to using online assessment software. Fourth, time management. Online examination system make use of computers that help in saving time. With the widespread availability of computers and the internet, there is a general acceptability and endorsement of this system. The length, formalities, and process involved in creating question papers, registering candidate for exams, answer sheet evaluation, and declaration of results are completely eradicated with the online examination system. Each system student is timely precisely and all results are generated instantaneously. A candidate may even be able to get an assessment on failed question. Fifth, statistical analysis. On a statistical point of view, compared data can be stored over time. This means that different comparative analysis can be done to analyze the outcome of exam over time. Depending on the online exam system used, statistical data can be pulled to analyze different data and create reports. In this video, we will done online examination system meaning, pattern, characteristics and procedures. Thank you.